4 weeks ago today, we closed above a descending 5-month channel top, now well below the market at 105.32. That indicated 3 to 5 months recovery back to the 153.13 January high. On the way up, we had a 1 to 2 week target at 120.67. We took that out a little over a week later. That same speed line is 118.90 on the daily chart. That was a Monday settlement above, indicating the next 1 to 2 week objective at 144.10, which we have yet to test. We came close to it about a week ago and since have been in a consolidative framework. What occurred then on Wednesday was a key reversal high, a settlement below short-term channel bottom. We also closed below that same structure on Thursday, but there's a steeply rising channel bottom today that did contain yesterday's lows at 133.29. If we can close today above 133.49, I do expect the 144.10 channel top within 3 to 5 days. That is your 3 to 5 day up target or your 3 to 5 day swing trade to the upside. That 144.10 formation well suited to contain weekly buying pressures, and from there we can fall away into later June. Downside though, if we happen to break or open below 133.29, we could test 127.72, but I do want to caution you just a little bit. If it's kind of a quiet day, 130.59 may have something to say about it. That is the low of the high, and I see this as a kind of a soft intraday pivot point, able to contain intraday selling pressures in reach below 133.29. If we break 130.59, then yes, I do expect a 127.72. So yeah, we've cleared more than 62% on the way up to 153.13, probably closer to 70%. So this is kind of the 1 to 2 week structure. If we close today below 133.29, I expect 114.60, 1 to 2 week target below 133.29. Now there's reason to respect the support levels on the way down, 127.72, and I say that because we're still in a longer term buy signal. So this possible sell-off back into the 110s is counter trend in nature, and so I think you can buy 127.72. If we close below 127.72, we enter the next 3 to 5 day sell signal into this kind of the mid to upper 110s that we would see, I'm going to say attainable with a settlement today below 133.29 over the next 1 to 2 weeks, and then expected within 3 to 5 days of closing below 127.72. Closing below 133.29, I do think you can play the short side of the market as we move into later May, but until then, we can just as easily recover today. And if we close today above 133.49, I see once again 144.10 likely by the end of next week. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.